Welcome back to PennyWise Perspectives. It's time to embark on the journey of establishing your business with confidence. Before delving into the crucial steps involved in setting up your business, it's important to note that the information provided is for educational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. I am not a legal advisor, and this content is intended to offer guidance and insights based on general knowledge and experience. Now, let's explore the crucial steps that pave the way for a successful business launch. 1. Finalize your business name and structure. When selecting a name for your business, consider its uniqueness and availability. To ensure it's not in use elsewhere, conduct a thorough check online and with the appropriate state or national authorities. The name you choose will be the face of your brand, so selecting it is a critical first step. Once your name is chosen and confirmed, it's time to decide on the business structure. The structure you select will have implications for legal, financial, and tax matters. There are various options, including sole proprietorship, limited liability company, LLC partnership, or corporation. Each structure has its own set of legal and tax implications, so make this decision carefully. It's wise to consult with a legal or financial advisor to determine the best fit for your business goals. 2. Register your business. An employer identification number, EIN, also known as a federal tax identification number, is essential for tax purposes and enables your business to be identified by the IRS. It's a simple and free process that you can complete online on the IRS website. Registering your business involves filing the necessary documentation to make your business official. This process varies depending on your chosen business structure. For instance, if you've chosen an LLC, you'll need to file articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. A corporation will require articles of incorporation. 3. Acquire necessary licenses and permits. Different businesses require various licenses and permits to operate legally. This might include zoning permits, health department permits, industry-specific licenses, and others. Research and identify the necessary permits for your specific type of business. Ensure compliance with both state and local regulations. Requirements can vary by location and industry, so check with the appropriate local government authorities to understand the specific licenses and permits you'll need. These permits and licenses are crucial to operate your business legally and without interruptions. 4. Open a business bank account. Maintaining a clear separation between personal and business finances is crucial. Opening a dedicated business bank account ensures that all transactions related to your business are kept separate from your personal finances. This distinction is beneficial for record keeping, tax purposes, and maintaining the integrity of your business financials. Many banks offer specific business account services, so shop around for the best fit for your business needs. 5. Set up accounting and bookkeeping systems. Utilizing appropriate accounting software is crucial for managing your business's financial transactions effectively. There are various accounting software options available, such as QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Xero, and Wave, catering to different business sizes and industries. These tools can assist in tracking income, expenses, invoicing, and generating financial reports. Based on your business's size and complexity, you might consider hiring an accountant or bookkeeper to manage these financial records. A professional's expertise can ensure accuracy and compliance with financial regulations, allowing you to focus on growing your business. 6. Purchase business insurance. Protecting your business from unforeseen risks is imperative. Research and identify the type of insurance coverage your business needs. Depending on the nature of your business, consider insurance options like general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, errors and omissions, property insurance, or workers' compensation. Insurance protects your business from legal issues, property damage, liability claims, and other unexpected events that could potentially disrupt your operations. Adequate insurance coverage offers peace of mind and financial protection for your business. 7. Hire employees if needed. When considering employing staff, understanding employment laws in your area is crucial. These regulations cover areas like minimum wage, working hours, and workplace safety. Develop a comprehensive hiring process that outlines job roles, responsibilities, and employee expectations. Additionally, creating employment contracts or agreements detailing these aspects is important. This process provides clarity for both employer and employees, mitigating future conflicts and setting the groundwork for a harmonious work environment. 8. Build an online presence. A robust online presence is essential for modern businesses. Start by creating a professional website that represents your brand, showcases your products or services, and offers relevant information to your potential customers. Your website serves as the online face of your business and can be a significant factor in driving sales. Simultaneously, establish a presence on social media platforms that align with your business and your target audience. These platforms provide a means to connect with potential customers, share your brand story, and engage in direct interaction. 9. Set up marketing strategies. Developing a comprehensive marketing strategy is essential for reaching your target audience and growing your customer base. Your marketing plan should include a mix of digital marketing efforts, content creation, and networking activities. Digital marketing techniques include social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click (PPC) advertising. Content creation could involve blogging, video content, or podcasts that provide value to your audience and establish your authority in your industry. It's also important to create promotional materials such as business cards, brochures, flyers, or digital ads to effectively communicate your brand message and attract customers. Real quick, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop link down below in the description and rock these funny tees like a boss. Now let's get back to the video. 10. Create vendor relationships. Building strong relationships with suppliers and vendors is crucial for ensuring a steady supply chain. Develop agreements or contracts with your suppliers to secure necessary materials or products for your business. Negotiating the terms of these contracts, including pricing, delivery schedules, and return policies, is vital for a smooth and beneficial partnership. Maintaining good rapport with vendors can lead to better deals and prompt support when needed, strengthening the foundation of your business operations. 11. Prepare your workspace. Setting up your business workspace effectively is essential for a smooth start. Whether it's a physical office, storefront, or even a home office, it should be organized and aligned with your business needs. Ensure it's ergonomically arranged to promote productivity and efficiency. Invest in the necessary technology and equipment to support your operations. This includes hardware like computers, phones, internet connections, and software applications to manage various business activities efficiently. Setting up a business involves several practical steps to ensure legal compliance and a strong foundation for your operations. Following this step-by-step guide can help you navigate the administrative tasks required to get your business up and running. Remember, each step is crucial and contributes to the overall success of your venture. It's advisable to seek professional advice or consulting services where necessary to ensure a smooth setup process. Once these initial steps are completed, you'll be well on your way to running a legally compliant and operational business. Awesome! We've covered step-by-step guide to setting up your business, equipping you with valuable insights to optimize your future success. Please comment below any money-related questions you'd like for me to cover in a future video. If you loved today's valuable video, consider smashing that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Together, let's embrace abundance, develop financial intelligence, and make our dreams of financial freedom a reality. Real quick, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop by using the link in the description below and rock these funny tees like a boss. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.